Don't miss out, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of a very popular English phrase. Don't miss out. This phrase is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it will definitely enrich your language skills. So, let's dive in. Don't miss out is an idiomatic expression that essentially means not to miss an opportunity or an experience that is considered valuable or enjoyable. It's often used to urge someone to take advantage of a situation before it's too late. This phrase can be found in various contexts, from casual conversations to advertising. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. Don't miss out on this amazing sale. It ends today. Here, it's used to emphasize the urgency of a limited-time offer. 2. I'm going to the concert tonight. Don't miss out, it's going to be great. This is an invitation to join an enjoyable event. 3. Many students don't miss out on the opportunity to study abroad. In this context, it refers to taking advantage of a beneficial experience. Like many English phrases, don't miss out has synonyms and variations. Some of these include take advantage of, seize the opportunity, grab the chance. Understanding these variations can help you recognize the phrase in different contexts. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. It's prevalent in advertising as a way to create urgency or FOMO, fear of missing out. In everyday conversation, it often appears as friendly advice or encouragement. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, don't miss out, in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding these common expressions that add color to our conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't miss out on our upcoming videos for more English language tips.